guys received the best grades you have from the entire semester, and that is excellent. You guys are staying in communication with me, which is great. And usually this is where I get a little nervous because once everybody gets good grades, often our performance goes down. So to fix that, we're going to jump in pretty deep. That means we're going to work on our websites and our point of sale devices this week. So this is going to be the most intense week of the summer because you're going to do two things. You're going to set up a website and you're going to you're going to make a point of sale device. So after you're done, the deliverable is only discussion. You're not having an assignment, just a discussion, but you're going to post the link to your website, and your website should be functional so we can see some of the pictures, see some of the prices, and you should have Square attached to it. Square is a point of sale device. So if you go to a convenience store or a store, you give them their credit card, that's the point of a sale device. When you go to Walmart and you put in your credit card, that's the point of sale device. When you buy something on Amazon and you pay them money, that's your point of sale device. So Square is super cool. Square, you can now with Square, you can also get a savings account, a checking account. So it's a bank. So to do that, you're going to want to go to this book, okay? Your book, page 31, 31, 32, and 33. This is great that you're watching this video, otherwise you'd kind of be lost. That's going to tell you how to set up Square. Square comes with a free website that you can use. I recommend that you use Wix. So you get a Square point of sale device first, and then you get a Wix account. You're going to get directions on how to do that. It's going to have the website first and Square second. Here's the kicker, guys. If you have a functional website that takes credit cards, more power to you. I would recommend Square. If you take credit cards a different way, like through PayPal, okay, fine. That's okay, that works. If you use Shopify and take credit cards through there, fine. If you have a system that works, that you have a website and a point of sale device, and it works, and it takes orders, you did your job. Good job. You don't have to do it my way. If you don't have a way to do it, first get Square. Then use Weebly to set up a website, right? That's going to set up a Wix website. That's what I recommend. If this sounds a little confusing, it's not because it's hard, it's because now you got a whole bunch of options, and I already know students who are far down this path. So if you're new, start with Square. Get the Weebly app, set up a Wix website. That's what I recommend. If you want to do it a different way, fine by me, all right? So remember, this is a business management class, and this is supposed to challenge you. You don't know how to do this. You don't. So you're learning something new. When you learn something new, do not get frustrated. The point is to be confused and work your way through that. Google is your friend. YouTube is definitely your friend. The first time through, Square, just so you know, is wonky. It will say half the time it will say there's an error and you can't get through. Try it again and again and maybe again so that it can actually go through. You're going to need your account number and routing number. See, account number and routing number. They're on this page. That was page 32. So this week is where we jump in for real. You're going to have to learn how to do stuff that you don't know how to do. You're going to have to learn. You're going to have to Google. Once you're done, you're going to post your links in the discussion board, in the discussion forum, and then you're going to comment on 5 different ones. I like the fact that I wonder if a good next step might be you're going to reply those 3 comments to 5 different ones. If it didn't work out for you, see what the other people did, right? Some people already have this down, right? Some people are really good at this for whatever reason. Good for them. But don't let that frustrate you. You can email me, you can email them. Google's your friend, YouTube's your friend. The instructions that I laid out for you are really useful. It's an hour description, the one that I gave you. Do you have to watch it? If it's useful, then you have to watch it. If it's not useful, then you don't have to watch it. You can watch part of it. When I got started to watch but you're learning how to be an entrepreneur this week. So when you don't get it immediately, come on, guys, Rome wasn't built in a day. You're gonna have to put some effort in this week. This is gonna be your hardest week. If this makes sense, it's not gonna be a very hard week at all, and then you know you got it made in the shade for the whole rest of the time. If not, this takes a little bit of effort. Square takes some effort. Square has a website. If you really like that Square website and it works for you, great. Then post the link. You have to activate it, right? You have to activate it. I recommend the Wix link because you can add more features, and Wix is really easy to use, and it's the largest website. Wix and Square joined forces about 3 years ago. That's why it all works. The Weebly app, do you have to use it? No, you don't have to. It's great if you don't know how to use it because that Weebly app helps you get into Square, helps you get into Wix. It's a cool app. You don't have to use it. What you do need is a website that can take payment. That's the goal of this week, right? A website that takes payment. If you don't know how to do it, I recommend starting with Square. It's super cool. I still use Square all the time, every week. So this is a little vague. I'm not telling you exactly what to do, but the assignment is to have a website that works. And when I say works, all you need is 1 or 2 pictures. Next week, we're going to make the website better. So you're not going to have a complete, all done website this week. Nope. We're going to do the same improved website next week. This week, you just want to make sure you have your name, a couple of pictures. When I say a couple, I mean 2 pictures, right? And that you can take payment. All right. If you use your imagination, think of all the things you can do with this. You already have Facebook. We're going to do commercials. We're going to do social media posts. We're going to do all that down the line. But this week, it's only the discussion forum. That's a lot, though. And you're going to respond to 5 of your classmates because you're going to learn a lot this week. Okay. Email me. Email each other. Use Google. Use YouTube. Search this out and don't get frustrated. You're not going to know how to do this. Isn't going to be a 1-hour assignment probably unless you already have this stuff done. You're going to have to go at it 2 or 3 times. So you try it today. If today's not good, go to sleep, get a good night's rest, and let your brain work this over, right? And then you're going to try it again and again. If none of this sounds familiar, don't expect to finish the same day you start. You're going to have to sleep on it. You're going to have to work on it. But this is where it gets super cool. And this is a miracle of modern day entrepreneurship that you can actually get a website that takes payment within a week. That is unheard of. It's amazing. It's cool. It's fun. Try not to get frustrated. All right. So if you get done with that and you have a website that works and takes payment, you can see how your dreams are coming true. It's so cool. All right. I hope that's enough. Only discussion. No other assignments because if you get through this, you're going to be doing awesome. All right, here we go. Good luck. See you next time.